From the deserts of Egypt to the peaks of Peru, these 7 landmarks have stood the test of time, telling stories of love, power, mystery, and genius. Welcome to the 7 wonders of the world, where human imagination meets architectural perfection. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love travel, history, and mind-blowing facts, make sure to stay with us till last because today we are exploring the 7 wonders of the world. And trust me, it will leave you speechless. 1. The Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, the Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure on Earth. Built more than 2,000 years ago to protect against invasions, it's so massive that ancient legends claimed you could see it from space. Spoiler, you can't, but it's still epic. Each brick here whispers tales of bravery and empire. 2. Petra, Jordan. Carved straight into red desert cliffs, Petra is also known as the Rose City. Once a hidden city, it's now a UNESCO treasure, with temples, tombs, and pathways that glow at sunset. Fun fact, it even starred in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. 3. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Standing tall above Rio de Janeiro, the Christ the Redeemer statue spreads its arms wide in welcome. It's 98 feet tall, weighs 635 tons, and took nearly 9 years to build. More than just a statue, it's a symbol of peace, love, and hope that can be seen from miles away. 4. The Taj Mahal, India. Few monuments capture love like the Taj Mahal. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, it took 20,000 workers and 22 years to complete. Made of white marble that changes color with the sunlight, it's often called a teardrop on the cheek of time. Beautiful, isn't it? 5. The Colosseum, Italy. Welcome to Rome. The Colosseum is where history's most intense battles were fought. Gladiators, lions, and roaring crowds of over 50,000 people. Despite being nearly 2,000 years old, it still inspires modern stadium designs today. If walls could talk, this one would roar. 6. Machu Picchu, Peru. High in the Andes Mountains lies Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Hidden for centuries until its rediscovery in 1911, it's a masterpiece of engineering and mystery. No one knows exactly why it was built. A royal retreat? A sacred site? You decide. 7. Chichén Itzá, Mexico. And finally, we travel to Mexico, home to Chichén Itzá, an ancient Mayan city that's as precise as it is powerful. During the equinox, shadows on the pyramid form a serpent slithering down the steps. That's not just architecture, that's astronomy and art combined. So there you have it, the 7 wonders of the world. Each one tells a different story of courage, love, science, and creativity that shaped humanity itself. Which wonder is on your travel bucket list? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic world explorations every week. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.